Welcome to 11th video of this interview playlist. How do you copy a table from one database to another database within a server? Here is a complete step-by-step answer to this important interview question. I made this video very simple, straight and to the point. Please don't forget to like this video and support me. Let's get started.
How to copy table across databases, meaning assume for example.
Here is a complete step-by-step answer to this important interview question. I made this video very simple, straight and to the point. Please don't forget to like this video and support me. Let's get started.
Copy this table to a test database. How to do that? Let's see. Go to the target database. Bring it from the source. Select star into customers data. Remember, as of now, initially there is no table called customers data here in this database. It's not there. So what we do? Select into new table in this database from fully qualified name. Product database dot schema name dot table name. Of course, we can give conditions also, but the simple process. Select into target from source. Earlier we have error, right? Earlier we have error. Now no more error. We'll be able to see the data like this. So this is how to copy a table from one server to one database, okay? One database to another database. Observe carefully. Next, other alternative. Another alternative for the same requirement. To copy table from one database to another, we can make use of that export operation. Either export or import. Go to target, import from source, or go to source, export to target. Any one of these you can use. I want you to try. But this is a more simplified, straightforward method. Select into target from source. Initially no table. Once you select into, table is auto created, data is inserted, you verify it.